wala. Ang gulo ng buhok. Web! So, morning! We're going to Osaka. Osaka Castle. We're going to walk 39 minutes. This is a sake store with food and ramen and stuff. And it's a cheap store. Very cheap food, very good. Simot sarap. Ubos. Okay, wala akong maintindihan. Ay, hindi, may English. Okay. Ay, ganda dito. But I don't think that's the castle. It's on the other side. There. There. I'm just using my phone to vlog, guys. Wala pang anda pang camera. Photo shoot. Ang laki ng mukha ko. Hindi nakita yung castle. Umuulan, guys. FYI. Wala kaming payong. Naglakad kami 3.3 kilometers to go here sa Osaka Castle. Pero wala pa kami. Almost pa lang. Lalakad na kami! That's the map of Osaka Castle Park.
This is the biggest castle.
Hi, Agnes! Hi!
Sino nga yan?
Si Agnes! Ay, may mga lights. Ay, ito siguro may lights, no? Ganyan ka lang, video to eh. So, I heard the ice cream here is like the best and creamiest soft serve. We're gonna try. I don't know how much.
300.
It's 300 yen. Marami siya flavors, Kari. Ah, depends ata sa flavor. Karix!
Pusok pa siya.
Share lang. We now have the ice cream. They have a lot of flavors and all the flavors have corresponding letters like A to whatever. Okay. So good. So creamy. They have a lot of flavors. They also have seasonal flavors like lemon soda and mango. Construction ongoing. There's the castle. Hi, Karix. Masarap. Uy, may food trucks. Pagkain na naman. May ice cream din dito. Soft serve. Tapos may puno, guys. Charot. Ah, maraming soft serve dito. Oo. Tsaka may soft serve din sila eh.
Kakigori. Shaved ice pala. Kakigori ang tawag.
Iba-iba yung mga soft serve nila. There's a time capsule. Expo 2000, I don't know, 1970. There are shops here outside the castle. There are more food stalls, toys, capsule toys. Shuriken! For your ninja needs.
Ito yung mga mura-mura. Kaya na hindi siya mga old eh.
Yung mga, ito yung mga old school talaga eh. Ganda oh. Magkano? Huh?
Video? Talaga siya.
Kaya lang. This is the line to get the admission ticket for the Osaka Castle. It's 600 yen for adult, free for 15 years old and under. We got the tickets for Osaka. We're inside the Osaka Castle right now. Actually modernized already. There are costumes that you can rent and try on and take a photo with. So I think they are going to edit it to that. Like that. Oops. It's 500 yen per person. Also remember that photographs and videos are not allowed on the 3rd and the 4th floors. So, yeah. There's also a stamp there, a memorial stamp. This one. I'm not sure what this is for. But I think it costs 150 yen. There are toilets and everything. So it's basically restructured already. So modern na talaga siya. This folding piece, they have it in the 3rd floor, I think, or 4th floor. I find it really nice kasi I think it's very difficult to paint. I think this one depicts a certain war. I forgot what. Summer War. 8th floor of Osaka Castle. This is, I think, what you can see there is this. Hi, Karix. Pagoda.
8th floor pa lang Osaka. Akala ko 4.
8 floors. So, 6 p.m. na dito. Maliwanag pa. Sobrang liwanag pa. Grabe, minamak nila ako sa pagpa-vlog ko. Well, actually, si Web lang. Kakain na kami. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Layo ng Dotonbori. Ilang minutes yan? 54? 54 minutes. Kasi malapit yun sa pinagstayan namin. So, yun. Dotonbori. Pati ba iba yung spelling nga ng Dotonbori? Pati sa mapa iba. Welcome to Dotonbori Street.
Yung kambal sila, kambal din yung nanay nila.
Oh my God, oo nga! So may nakita kaming kambal na bata, tapos parang kambal din yung tatay niya. Ewan. Naguguluhan ako.
Okay na, kasama.
Oh, that's free. Kobe beef. Kobe, actually. Kobe beef.
Kobe beef, we did not eat there.
So the reason why you're seeing bikes here in the middle of the street is because bikes are prohibited to be used inside the Tonbori. For you Gundam fans out there, there is this place in Dotonbori where you can buy your Gundam kits.
Kaya mura siya.
Okonomiyaki. And there's a long line. Oh, takoyaki, sorry. Takoyaki. I'm from the Philippines. We are inside Don Quixote here in Dotonbori. Don Quixote store is, I think, a cheap store for everything you need. So it has everything. Grabe, no? Shucks, parang...
Shinsai Bashi. Suji.
Ito yung Shinsai Bashi.
Yung mga mura.
Oo.
Ay, hindi yan.
Lintian na. Hindi, pwede naman tayo bumalik ng ano. Kunwari, after natin mag-Kyoto, tsaka tayo mag-ano. Glico! Nagkakwentuhan talaga kami, guys. Kasi nasa-shock kami na ito na pala yung pupuntahan namin. Kala namin malayo. Uwi na kami. Pagoda na kami.
Fire.
Okay. So,
Ito legit na.
uy, sushi place oh. Uy, parang mura lang. Or not. Wala. So, naikot na namin, well, a bit, yung Dotonbori area. And, so, yun. Hindi na ako makapag-isip. I'm so tired. Tomorrow, USJ kami. So, uy! Ayaw nga, no? Pansin namin yung manhole cover. Maganda. Tulugan na! Good night.